up, guys? Welcome back, Digital Slang. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking the Liberty 2 Pros, the Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pros. I dropped a video about 2 weeks ago for the Liberty Air 2s, and to date those are my favorite pair of buds for the price. I do love them. They sound great. These are supposed to be even better, and I've watched all the reviews on these. I'm a tech lover just like everybody else, and the reviews and the sound quality on these guys are supposed to be amazing. But we'll check them out. We'll put it through all of the testing. Specs on these guys, of course, Bluetooth 5.0. They do support wireless charging. There's an IP4 water and dust resistance rating, so you can sweat, you can work out in them, but don't throw them in water, you'll destroy them. Battery life on these guys, 8 hours of juice and 32 hours total with the case. So really good battery life. And again, it comes with the Soundcore app on your phone where you can personalize your music experience and set it the way you like. Touch controls, there's multi-function buttons on each bud where you can control everything, the volume, play and pause, next track, go back to the previous track, as well as your voice assistant. So these things are really cool. So if we look at the box, Liberty 2 Pros up top, total wireless earphones, in-ear studio performance. Again, the sound quality on these are going to be fantastic, and at this price, it's a win for all of us. Wireless charging, 32 hours of juice with the case. We turn it over, tells us a little bit more about it. Download the Soundcore app, picture of the buds in the case, wireless charging, your Hear ID to personalize your sound. So let's open the box up. We'll take a look. We got our buds up top, our case right there, and I really have always liked the way that Anker does their boxing. I think it's beautiful, and it's just very nice, and it's quality. Everything about it is high quality, and we're getting it at a really fair price. Let's open this sucker up. We'll take these out, and we'll start all of the testing. So our buds are actually a lot bigger than I thought they would be. And that's one of the things that I was always weary about with the in-ear style buds. You know, never a fan of those. At first, I was always more of a fan of the AirPod style, but you're not gonna get that good sound. You're not gonna get that deep bass with the AirPod style. These are going to be different. And of course, you can put a different tip on to get the better seal. But here's the case. We'll take a look at the case. On the back, what does it say? Just to get started, little tag, open on here. So we slide up, and that's how you open the case. And it's pretty unique, pretty cool, different. First case that I've tested that is like this. We peel that sticker off, and solid. It's a hard plastic case, very nice. It's not that big, and you can use it with one hand. You can open it with one hand, so pretty cool. To put the buds in here, let's just see if I can figure this out. Looks like turn that way. Nope, that's gonna go there. That's gonna go there. There is a magnet in there, so they are not coming out. They are stuck in there really well. And that's it, 8 hours of juice, 32 hours with the case, so really good battery life. And again, this does support wireless charging. USB Type-C here on the back, and then of course your button to connect right there. Let's put these to the side for now. Take a look what else is in the box. We should have our USB Type-C as well as our extra tips and our manuals. Soundcore quick start guide, how we do sound, and another manual. And again, inside of the box, we do get all of the extra tips as well as the ear wings. So 4 extra ear wings and a bunch of extra tips for the better seal so you can get that good sound. And then our USB Type-C for charging. We'll put this aside. So to connect these, we're gonna go into Bluetooth. We'll go into Bluetooth settings, take these out. Soundcore Liberty 2 Pros, they pop up. We hit connect, and we are all connected. We'll throw them in the ears. So we're all connected. I'm gonna show you the Soundcore app. If we go into the app, it comes right up, Liberty 2 Pros, and left and right. And if you click on the L or the R, it'll show you the battery, and it'll give you the battery percentage. If they're low, these are full. So you can see that they're full. We click on EQ, it gives you all of the options to change your settings in your EQ to personalize your sound experience. You can also go into Hear ID up top here, and that will give you more of a personalized experience. You're gonna run through some hearing tests, and once you're done, it will determine what sounds are best made for your taste. So you can check that out if you want. I'm always gonna choose the bass booster, and that's where I wanna live, that's where I wanna be, and that's what I want my sound to be. And the controller, this is where you would control and change the touch controls. So Double tap, you can control. Right now, left is set to previous, right is set to next, and that's probably where I will leave it. Hold for 1 second. On the left, we'll choose your Siri or Google, whatever voice assistant you have. And on the right, it will be the same thing, but I'm going to change that. I don't ever use the voice assistant, so I want to adjust the volume. So the volume up will be the right for hold, and the volume down will be the left for hold. So now that we are set up, we're going to go in, we're going to play some music. We'll start all of the testing, and I'm excited to check out this sound. So we're going to play some music, and we'll see how these bad boys sound. These sound incredible. It's not even a contest anymore. This is the best sounding pair of buds that I've tried. They're better sounding to me than the AirPod Pros. Now look, if I put the AirPod Pros in ANC mode, then they're probably very comparable. But these, for the price at $109, they're amazing. The sound is incredible. I highly recommend them if you like in-ear buds and you don't mind them being a little bulky like this. The sound quality on these things, it's incredible. I have it on bass boost, and again, you could adjust it to whatever you would like, but the bass hits hard. It's crystal clear, and they're better than the Liberty Air 2s. And I was skeptical about that because I really liked how they sounded, but these sound amazing. So we're gonna continue the testing. We're gonna do the touch controls really quick just to test it out. I'm gonna play some music. Now it's a multi-function button. It's not tap to touch or anything like that. There is a button on each bud, and the right side or the left, one push on the button should play and pause, and then double tap should go to the next track, and double tap on the left should go to the previous track. So we'll try all that out really quick. Music is playing, that bass is hitting. Music is playing, one tap on the right should pause it. Pauses it instantly. Plays again, left side. Pauses, left side again. Plays. Works just like it should, very smooth, and it works immediately. So we'll try 2 now. 2 should go to the next track. So watch the phone. 1 tap to pause it. 2 taps to skip. Next track, once again. Next track. Left side should go back. Started that song over. Goes back. Goes back. Touch controls work fantastic. Now, if I hold it, the volume should go down or up. Volume's at full max right now, so I'll go down. Goes down. Goes down. Goes down. So very impressed by the touch controls. It works really well. Very smooth. And I like that. I don't want to have to struggle to get the touch controls to work. Next test, we will just do a mic test, check out the mic quality. Now, there is a mic in each earbud, so we'll check that out. These should sound really good. What's going on, guys? Mic test. The Liberty 2 Pros, another amazing product by Anker, and these sound incredible. So I'm hyped up. I like these a lot. 109, guys. Let me know how the mic sounds. Next, we'll check the latency. We'll play a video on YouTube, and we'll see if there's any delay between audio and video. So no delay between audio and video, and listening to content on here will be enjoyable because it's crystal clear. You have that bass, if that's the setting you have it on, and it sounds really good. So listening to content on here, it's going to be an enjoyable experience. And overall, look, these things, they're really good product. And at $109, it's a steal because the sound quality on these things are comparable to any pair of buds that I've tested, including the AirPod Pros. So it's a good pickup. And let's talk about the pros. The pros, sound quality, of course, number 1. Number 2, wireless charging. There's an IPX4 water and dust resistance. It's not the best rating, but at least you can work out on them. The mic, let me know how the mic sounds. If it sounds good, if it's comparable to the AirPods, because to me, the AirPods still have the best mic in the game. Battery life, another pro. Battery life, 8 hours of juice and 32 hours with the case itself. So really good things so far. The touch controls, the multifunction buttons, it's instant, it works immediate, and it works just like it should. And the fact that you can customize it to whatever you would like is a bonus, and it's a plus, and it's always a good thing. And again, the EQ settings, you can change it and adjust the sound to whatever your style is, whatever kind of music you like. You can get that with these. The cons for me, I think, is the size of these. They do stick out. If you're a runner, they might be a problem. Of course, you can throw a wingtip on here and maybe that will give you a better seal, but running in these, they might be a little shaky, they might fall out. So just be weary of that. If you are a big time runner, then maybe the Liberty Air 2s are a better option for you. But for me, that's really the only downside I see in these is the bulkiness of them. But that's why you get that good battery life, and that's why you have that amazing sound, is because they are a little bulky. We'll be back with more videos again. I do have a giveaway coming up Christmas Day, so I'll let you guys know when that video drops. But that's it, guys. Be back. Thanks for all the love. Once again, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, ring that bell for the latest notifications whenever we drop a video here at Digital Slang. We're back. Peace.